Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how to delete your Artlist account. Okay, so in this video I'm going to provide you two methods by which you can easily delete your account. First method, online method. First of all, you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in you need to tap on your profile icon and you need to select help and support option. Okay, and once you tap on help and support, it will pop up this kind of window, and the very bottom side there is a chat option available. You need to tap on the chat button and then you will see this kind of window. In this window you need to ask, I want to delete my account. Okay, and once you tap I want to delete my account, they will ask you some question, your account is paid or your account is free trial. Okay, if you have any paid plan, you need to cancel your paid plan first of all, then you can cancel your account. Otherwise you have to pay fees every month after cancellation of your account. Okay, and if we talk about like how to delete, if you have any free trial, you can cancel your free trial. You need to provide free trial, and once you provide them free trial, they will reply you like this kind of information: to delete your free trial account, your request has been processed. As soon as possible they will delete your account. And by using this method you can easily delete your account. If this method will not work for you, you can also compose an email. In the email you need to provide each and everything, like why you want to delete your account, and your which is your registered email id, which is your you can say like phone number register on the platform. You need to provide your information related to your account, and you need to send the email at their email address support@artlist.io. And once they receive your email they will contact you, and they will cancel or they will delete your account. Okay, now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.